Howdy YouTube friends. Alright, so this is the Rosecraft Awanata, I think. And I don't know what language, but Awanata is supposed to mean turtle. Because the designers thought it looked a little bit like a turtle, I guess. So I'm not sure about that. I have not looked, well, I gave one of these to somebody, and after they opened it, I handled and looked at theirs. But I have not touched or looked at any of these yet. I've had them for a few days now, but I've been waiting until I can try to make a video. So these are the two that hopefully by now, by the time this publishes, hopefully my first ever giveaway went well and 2 people have received their Rosecraft Awanatas by now. I've got my murder gloves on, watch out. So these are both the same. I'll look at both of them real quick. Oh, this is the box it comes in. I saw these on Toad Stickers channel. He did a video, I think he had a blue one maybe. But I like the looks of them a lot. Pretty stiff. I like the blade shape. This is D2 steel and G10. It is a slip joint, non-locking. And I try to do this quickly because these are the 2 I'm going to give away. So I'm going to check them out, make sure they look all right. So I think I'm gonna do 2 winners. I got one for myself. I also will show and mess with more. So you will have received these, whoever the winners are. Congratulations. And they were untouched by my hands. So they're straight from Rosecraft. Look at them, make sure they're alright. So otherwise untouched by my grubby little fingers. Alright, get rid of my murder gloves. Alright, take 2. I had to evac. Wife and kids came home. So I had to evac my cool setup. This is my Awanata. Green one, I like green. Not sure that I necessarily like this green, but I might actually dye this green. Maybe fade it to a darker green. Still show some of that. So here's my green Awanata. Little green turtle. It says Rosecraft. And that's, oh, what is this guy's name's Andy Armstrong. Good name. Probably a smart, good-looking guy with a name like Andy. That's the model number, I think, in GR green. Very stiff. I might actually put this on my key rings, on my keys. I don't usually like a lot of stuff on my keys. But I did start clipping my keys to a belt loop so I don't have to have them in a pocket. Let's see what the edge for Rosecraft looks like. Dang, that's nice. Yep, that's a good one. Good job, Rosecraft. So maybe I'll dye this green and add this into the video. If not, just gonna end it here, I think. I like it. Oh, I was gonna do a comparison with some other small knives. Then I got interrupted. So it's around a little over 5 inches, I guess. Brass ruler's 5. The blade is just under 2. I could grab something here to show you to compare. How about a squid? CRKT squid. A lot of people are familiar with the squid, I think. Nightshade. Mini. What else I got? I guess that's probably good for now. Well, it's Christmas morning. I had a couple Christmas things yesterday. So I needed this to open a few packages. It slices right through everything. I'm really pretty impressed with this little knife. I'm liking it a lot. It's put together very well. Locks in at the halfway. Well, I mean, it's slip joint, but it locks in there. I don't know if the phone sound will do it justice, but this thing's a clicker. Closing Kind of sounds like clacking two marbles together. I don't think the phone's doing it justice. There, I've got a bunch of tiny slices on my finger. I didn't realize while it was happening until I had all these little tiny slices. So what I figured out is it's this top pointy part of the nail neck that was really sharp. So I did a bunch of dragging it on my strap, and now it feels more more rounded off. But I was closing it like this. So pretty sure that this was slicing me. Now that I've stropped it for a while, it feels more rounded off right there, not so sharp. But that was quite sharp.